Here at the facility, thousands of eggs pass through the automated sanitation chamber, utilizing fine disinfectant mist and UV sterilization from the vision system ensures only perfect eggs make it to market, instantly rejecting any imperfections. Here in the modern hatchery, automated systems gently vaccinate the healthy broiler chicks before sophisticated robotics count them precisely for transport.
Quantities verified. Destination farms confirmed. Route optimization complete. Status: ready for loading.
A marvel of modern agriculture, this fleet transports thousands of healthy chicks towards the fully automated broiler farm.
Strict biosecurity protocols before unloading thousands of day-old chicks.
This time-lapse reveals the incredible speed of modern agriculture, where technology supports rapid growth from chick to market-ready bird. The AI summary looks excellent. Flock performance is optimal across the board.
Yes, the growth rate metrics are very encouraging.
These robotic litter conditioning machines gently aerate the bedding, ensuring optimal health for the flock. AI-powered cameras continuously monitor flock density and movement, generating real-time analytics that optimize both welfare and production efficiency. The predictive analytics show a slight dip in flock health in Sector 3.
I see that. Let's adjust the environmental controls immediately.
These advanced robotic systems are designed to minimize stress, gently lifting the birds with specialized soft grippers before transferring them to the ventilated crates. We cross-reference the physical exam with the AI data to ensure complete traceability. This flock looks exceptionally healthy. Here, the automated scalding tanks use
Check the caudal end on that one.
Okay.
Looks clear. The scanner must have caught the slight discoloration.
The chickens now enter the final high-pressure washing system. These stainless steel spray nozzles ensure exceptional cleanliness before chilling. AI-powered machine vision systems meticulously inspect every chilled chicken, automatically assigning product grades based on size, color, and quality. With remarkable speed, these precision machines carefully separate the meat from the bone, maintaining quality across the processing line. With AI-assisted precision, these systems examine thousands of chicken packages every hour, ensuring safety and quality. The protective gas mixture is flushed into the trays before they are hermetically sealed to maximize freshness. The next chapter of food processing is here. Utilizing advanced robotics, this facility transforms The ultra-cold air freezes every product separately to preserve texture and quality. High-speed printers apply crucial traceability labels, while AI cameras instantly verify the accuracy of every package. In this hyper-efficient facility, massive robotic arms process thousands of packages an hour, while autonomous robots handle transport. From our premium selection of fresh cuts and marinated favorites, we are committed to sustainability. That's why we're redefining how we approach packaging and recycling. A true circular economy in action, where every byproduct of the poultry plant is utilized for energy and materials. After filling, the bags are sealed and transferred to the robotic palletizer, streamlining the shipment process for agricultural industries. We've exceeded the water recovery target for Q2.
Excellent. Let's optimize the carbon capture array.
At the heart of the complex, digests powerful anaerobe organic waste into clean ristolines. Biogas produced by the facility powers large industrial generators that supply renewable electricity and steam to